First timing Thomas Keller's French scrambled eggs. I don't want to wash another bowl, so I'm just going to crack all the eggs in one bowl. I have no idea what this is, but I'm going to get rid of it. Kosher salt is kind of pricey, so we're just going to use normal salt. So of course, after reading this step, I searched up what chinois is in Google, and Google was like, oh, it's French for Chinese. But I don't have any Chinese readily available at home, so we're going to use a normal strainer. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like I'm getting scammed when I have to wash an extra knife just to cut some butter for a recipe. I'm actually gonna crash out. I'm gonna cut some parsley and butter now as well, instead of in a future step, so I don't panic when I'm cooking the eggs later. If we quickly revisit the instructions, it says whisking slowly. Now if we rewatch the original video, I'm not sure if you describe it as whisking slowly and gently cooking the eggs. Man is whisking the crap out of it. I'm a bit scared of scratching the pan with the whisk, so I'm going to use a spatula instead. This is definitely a full-on workout, no doubt. Because I'm using a spatula instead of a whisk, to get the same amount of action that Thomas Keller was getting, I have to stir so much more and faster. My arms are actually so sore. We're only 1 week over the expiry date, we should be fine. If I remember correctly, Gordon Ramsay's recipe only uses 1 teaspoon of crème fraiche, but Keller is using 1 tablespoon here. Interesting. The parsley and butter we prepared much earlier is also going to go in now. Mixing it in. I think we're done. This is the Thomas Keller consistency that we're looking for. I'm just gonna quickly microwave this bread and cut it out. The color is different, but I'd say the texture is close enough. Keller's eggs definitely has a slightly smoother texture because he used a whisk, whereas I used a spatula. Anyway, let's try this. TLDR 7.5 for taste and 9 for ease, purely because I needed to wash an extra strainer. This is basically a creamier, runnier, richer version of Gordon Ramsay's eggs. For now, my favorite way to make eggs is probably still Jamie Oliver's, which is just eggs and butter. Nice and simple, no need to do an entire full-on workout just to eat some scrambled eggs. Feel free to pause the video, otherwise take care, bye!